You're doing text animation the hard way. This pack lets you do it in seconds, and it's 100% free. Obviously, we start with text. Let's write creative, just like you. Head to the effect panel, you'll find these 3 preset packs. Let's say you want an effect. I give you 25 effects to choose from. Just drag and drop it and instantly you get a neon effect. Why not? You can also change the color right inside the effect control. Once the effect is set, you'll need motion. That's exactly what the slide pack is for. It gives you 32 slide animation, down, left, right, up, you choose. Let's try slide up, then right. Just drag and drop it and you get instant animation with keyframes already set. Ready to customize however you want. You won't find this anywhere else. And there is more. Now let's say you have 2 text layers and you need a transition. I'm giving you 100 transition to level up your edit. Each one come with in and out. Go between the 2 texts, move 5 to 15 frames, make a cut, then repeat the same thing for the second text. Quick clarification. In is the end point of any text layer. Out is the out point of any text layer. When you're adding a transition between 2 texts, the out goes on the first text and the in goes on the second text. Just drag in to the in point and out to the out point. And that's it, you get a smooth transition. And remember, you have 100 transition to choose from. Now the last one is crazy helpful. It's a motion graphic template ready to use. Animation controls. You can change the text. For example, thank you for the support. You can customize everything. Change the font, switch the animation from character to word to line, adjust the scale and switch from fill to outline, and you have this randomize to randomize your character or word or line. And the best part, you can stack preset on top of it. So if you need a glow effect, just drag and drop it. Add slide animation, why not? And if you need a transition, use the same in and out method. Every text point to something. So make sure you watch the next video to get the free animated arrow. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace!